speed kilometer per hour, distance kilometer, time by bus, by aeroplane. Some distance by bus, that we don't know. Some distance by aeroplane, that we don't know. Bus travel with the average speed 60 km per hour. Aeroplane 700 km. Given. In the total distance traveled, they have given 1900. As speed is equal to distance by time, so speed into time is equal to distance. So time is equal to distance by speed. So distance by speed. So distance by speed. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. This time plus this time, by bus time, by aeroplane time, by bus time, by aeroplane time, total 5 hours. By bus kilometer, by aeroplane kilometer, it is 1900. Whatever the question is given, that I have converted into the table. Type of transportation, double transportation. By bus, B stand for bus, A stand for aeroplane. Speed, both the speed are given. Bus distance not given, aeroplane distance not given. So x plus y is equal to 1900. This time taken, it is x by 60. This time taken is y by 700, that is given 5. So this you can convert, y is equal to 1900 minus x, condition number 1. But now time distance, time total. This is distance total, now time total. Correct. Under this product of rest of, so 700 LCM, how to take the LCM? Under this product of rest, this 700 x plus 60 y is equal to 5 into 60 into 700. To let 10,000 product 700x plus 60 y. Cut 0 and half, divide by 20. Cut 0 and half, so 35y. Cut 0 and half, 3y. Cut 0 and half, 21,000, 1,500. Now what is y? What is y? 1900 minus x, it is 10500. Now this is 35x plus 3x are 3, 0, 0, 63 is 23 is 60, 60 less 3, 57. Back calculation, back calculation. Now 35 minus 3, so it is 32x. And this goes this side. 10500 minus 5700. So it is 58. So x is equal to 4800 16 threes are 16 twos are again half. So x is equal to this will be 150 kilometer. And total this, so minus 19150 kilometer. So by bus x kilometer, that is 150 kilometer. By aeroplane y kilometer rest, because total is 1900 minus 150, so it is 1750. So don't write x and y. X and y you have consider for what that you have to write. Now time is there, and one student have asked me the question. I have sent the solution, but at that time method was not mentioned. But now I think this sum. They want the solution of this sum. Three x minus 7y, 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. No, it is minus 7. Page number 8. Sum number 5th of 2. Now 3x, this comes this side, 7 is equal to 4y. So y is equal to 3x plus 7 by 4. So x, y, x, y. X we will consider 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose it is 0. 7 by 4, half of half. 7 half of half. 7 half 3.5. 3.5 half 1.75. Now suppose I will put 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 7 10. 10 half 5. 5 half 2.5. 2.5 means 2.50. 1.75 2.50 means 0.75 increase. Now this will be 3.25. This will be 4. This will be 4.75. This will be 5.5. Correct? Suppose it is 5. 5 is a 15. 32. 32. Wait. 25. 75. 75. 75. 75. Correct. So which are the rounded up that we will take? 1, 1, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 5.5. This point we will take. Now table number 2. Five x minus 2y is equal to 0. So 5x is equal to 2y. So y is equal to 5x divided by 2. So xy. So x we will consider 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose it is 0, so 0. Suppose it is 1, 5 by 2 is 2.5. Suppose it is 2, 2 cancel, 5. So 0.25 it is increasing. Now on graph, Here the range is 5 maximum. Here also you can take maximum 5. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right side positive, left side negative. Upside positive, downside negative. Now take this 1 and 2.5. 1, 2.5. 2.5 means in between 2 and 3. 3 and 4. 5, 5.5. I am not using the graph, but I am trying to show you the best. Next, 0, 0. 1, 2.5. 1, 2.5. Here also 1, 2.5. Here also 1, 2.5. So that is the answer. Simple. Next, 2 and 5. So this is line number 1, that is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Line number 2. That is 5x minus 2y. So this is the point of intersection. 1, 2.5. Okay, so solution 1, 2.5 by graphic method. Follow like this 5 topic of this chapter we have completed. Tomorrow we will complete science 1 first chapter, because half part I have done, half part remain. Thursday, then Friday, all the theorems which are already given in the form of solution that I will explain on a board with reason, with the diagram. Only theory part, chapter number 1. So today I have completed algebra, all the topics. Do practice in workbook also and write every day in your maths book, because see, this is very important. Nowadays we are searching that which student have submitted, which student have not submitted, and now they have to work for the assignment and for the homework. We have short outed it, that how much student have given, how much have not given to them. I am giving the homework. So see how much it is important. Now total result is depend on the internals, and for internals we need the material. So you complete a workbook, you complete maths notebook. So at the end, if any problem with the exam, online, offline, cancellation, whatever, so on this base you will get the mark, and overnight or within 2-3 days you can't complete. So start slowly every day. So at the end you will relax. Okay, sir, demand karo, kya chahiye? Everything I have. So like that you have to depend, complete. Today I have completed all the points of chapter number 1. Tomorrow I am going to close that first chapter, science 1. Friday I will take geometry, only theory, theorem part I will explain. Okay, now attendance book. Now call out one number and exit. Don't repeat. Wait. Second one. You call out and exit, single student at a time. Start. Exit. Next. next, 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 next,